I'm back. Bruh.
She gonna come back?
Why do you keep putting me in that and then you're not putting her in it?
Because you're the one that's making Pokemon sounds.
Bruh. She was doing it earlier.
Were you?
I did with her.
Oh.
Like,
Well, you should do it then. If you're a Pokemon, I can catch you too.
bro.
Hmm?
I forgot how to do that. Teach me again.
You have to
She taught me how
crackle
to
your
do
voice.
that.
The crackle your voice.
Like this. Like that.
You have to do it faster. Yeah, yeah. No.
Bro, you try to do it. You try to do it.
Try to. I don't even know what you're doing. I have no idea how you do it.
You have to crackle
I
your
don't know.
voice.
This is
I
like.
have to what my voice?
Crackle your voice really fast, like.
I can try it, but I'm gonna mute because it's gonna sound bad.
Okay. Okay.
See, I can't. No, you gotta stop laughing. I can't do it because I keep laughing.
Stop laughing.
Just try. Okay, I won't laugh.
Okay, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
Bruh.
I can't. You know what? You know what? You know what?
Oh, you little
Boom.
no.
I'll try to do it with the balloon.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Ready? Boom.
Nope.
Bro, she sounds like
Come
a
back.
chipmunk.
Mm-hmm. Oh, come back.
Nope.
Yes.
No. Why? Okay, can you skip the start?
I mean, I can leave.
What did you say?